Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between exchanges, especially with XRP's growing popularity. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your XRP holdings. It's usually under the Assets tab. Just click on XRP to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the destination address, which is your Bitrue wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Make sure you're using the correct network. XRP typically runs on the XRP ledger, so select that if prompted. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember, Uphold might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply too, so check your balance first. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Bitrue account and keep an eye on the Deposits section to confirm when your XRP arrives. A quick word of caution: always use official apps or websites to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for the steps. You've now successfully transferred your XRP. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.